In this video, I'll be looking at what Bitcoin is and where you should be buying it. I'm the Revenger's Hammer. Bitcoin is a digital currency, meaning it exists on computer code, so it's not a physical asset. Okay, so Bitcoin is logged on the blockchain, and another name for blockchain is an online ledger. What this simply means is that all transactions are on the internet on multiple nodes or computers. This creates a redundancy of transactions, which is actually a good thing. Why is it a good thing, you may ask? It's to prevent fraud. You can purchase your Bitcoin or a portion of Bitcoin on an exchange. An exchange is simply an online marketplace where you can buy or sell your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Once your registration is complete and your verification levels are approved, you may now continue in buying your cryptocurrency. Okay guys, so once you are logged in, you can view the price over the past month, past 6 months, past year. This is basically how the price has fluctuated. You can see the low was around 470,000, the high was around 1 million. So what you want to do is deposit money into your respective account. You go here to wallets, you go to local currency and you click deposit. You select your bank transfer, you put in the amount, for example 500 rands, hit next, unique reference code, got it. This is what you need to use as a reference when you make a bank EFT. Luno's banking details. You will verify this on your account and you will use your unique reference. Once you are done making your reference, then you say what crypto you want. You hit Bitcoin. Then it will ask you if you want to make a once-off or repeated buy. You choose the wallet that you're paying from. That's your ZAR or South African Rand wallet. This is after the money is deposited into your Luno account, and then you select either maximum, or you go, if you for example deposited 1,000 rands and you only want to buy 500 rands worth now, you put in that amount and then you hit next. Once you do that, you should be taken back to your wallet, in which case you can view all the types of cryptocurrencies you have. Once you are done purchasing your Bitcoin, I would like to congratulate you on your investment and welcome to the crypto community. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and comment. I'm the Revenger's Hammer. New videos coming soon.